Welcome to Lucerne. Lucerne, a compact city in Switzerland known for its preserved medieval architecture, sits amid snow-capped mountains on Lake Lucerne. We visited Pilatus, also often referred to as Mount Pilatus, is a mountain massive overlooking Lucerne in the central Switzerland. It is composed of several peaks, of which the highest 2,128.5 meters or 6,983 feet is named Tomlichhorn. A medieval legend had dragon with the healing powers living on the mountain.
That's not my finger.
It's colorful, all-stutched, which means Old Town. It's bordered with the north by 870 meters long Museegmuur or Museeg Wall, a 14th century rampart. The covered Kapelbroek, which means chapel bridge, built in 1333, links the Alstust to the Reus River's right bank. It is the oldest covered bridge in Europe, although much of it had to be replaced after a fire on 18th August 1993, allegedly caused by a discarded cigarette. Bloody smokers. With a population of approximately 82,000 people, Lucerne is the most populous town in the central Switzerland and a nexus of economics, transportation, culture, and media in the region. The city's urban area consists of 19 municipalities and the town with an overall population of about 220,000 people. We stayed here for 2 days before heading to the capital, Zurich, for an evening. Now, let's look at the photos. The following photos were taken with the Fuji X-T20 edited in Silkypix Developer Studio Pro with the Acros film simulation. Enjoy! See you in Zurich for an evening.